Hey girls, it's Amy. So today I got my organic package. This is a big box. Like, this is huge. So I just covered all of the important stuff. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing. First I'm gonna take this whole thing off. There's like a packing closed thing. So it just has a paper, and this does have my address. Okay, so this just shows everything that is in this box, but I'm not going to show it because it does have my address. So that was just in this little thing. So this comes from Pennsylvania. So let's cut it open. So this is a completely live unboxing. This took about a week. Yeah, it took a week exactly. Let me cut all the way across it. That may help. I'm struggling to get this open. This is going to be a long video, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I can't get this open. Okay, I finally got it. Okay. So it looks like this inside. And it just comes with this like packing paper. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the camera and give you an overview, and then like I'll carry on. So, okay, so this is everything in the box. Here's just an overview. Okay, so a little bit on the Organyc company. They are like 100% organic cotton. Instead of having like different dyes and bleach and different chemicals, they're just like completely natural. And they lower the risk of like TSS and stuff. So that's just a little bit on them. So let's carry on with the unboxing. Okay, so the first thing, I'm just going to pull it out, is the Organyc 14 Super Tampons. These are applicator. And I'll open them all after I show what I got. And there's 16 regular. And these are applicator. And there's like a cotton sign on like each of them, because they're just like 100% cotton. And then there is the Organyc Panty Liners Light Flow. These are the wrapped ones. There is the Organyc Moderate Flow pads. And it says that they won the best organic product for 2015. So that's cool. And then I got the Organyc Heavy Flow pads 10. There's a little pack of wet wipes. There's a 16 count of the Organyc Super Non-Applicator. A 16 count of the Organyc, obviously it's organic, non-applicator regulars. A 24 count of the Organyc Unwrapped liners. And then there's a box of the Organyc 10 pads, Super Flow. So these are like the heavies. Jeez. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different boxes. So I just want to say thank you to the Organyc company because this is amazing. So if you want to keep watching, I'm going to unbox all of these. So this is going to be a long video. So if you want to see me unbox them all, just keep watching. Okay, so also I just realized that these are heavy flow night. So they're like for a heavy overnight. Okay, so I'm going to start with pads to unbox. These are the regular. And the white is like in the shape of like hips with the vagina. So these ones won the best product for 2015, the best Organyc. So on the box it just like explains like all of their products. And I will leave a link to their website down below. So opening it looks like this. It comes in like a super cute little bag. So these are the moderate flow. So it just comes in this little bag. Is that where I open it? I'll open it from the bottom. I can't get it open. Like I said, this is going to be a very long video. Okay, so I got it open. This is like so soft, like the outside of it. So it just has like a blue design. So it opens really quiet too. Okay, so it just looks like that. It's pretty soft. It's not like the softest, but it's not rough. The wings has like a perforated line where you can like tear it. So this obviously has wings. It looks like that. So that's the moderate flow. And these, I think they do have an expiration date on them. Yeah, they do. So these ones expire in 2020. And they are made in Italy, I guess. So that's the moderate flow. And then onto, I'll do the heavies. These are the super. That's the Italian side. So they're just super. And I think these ones are also unwrapped. It totally just messed up like the ripping thing. Okay, I fixed it. Yeah, these are unwrapped. So if you hear any background noise, that's just my parents. So these are unwrapped. Let me look at this. Those are actually pretty cute. So I think these are their maxis. Because these are pretty big. Like they're thick. So I think this is the maxi pads. These ones are really soft. Like these are probably one of the softest pads I've ever felt. And then there's like little circles in the middle. These are so soft. So these are just the super ones, and they are unwrapped. And they're by Organyc, obviously. And their products are also biodegradable. That's why they have an expiration date. Try those. And then onto the Organyc. These are wrapped. So these are the Heavy Night. This is taking forever. This is going to be a super long video, so I apologize. It's probably going to be like 20 minutes, at least. Okay. Got it. I should have like pre-opened them all. And I love like the outside of it. It's so smooth. That's just what it looks like. It's pretty soft. It does have wings. That's what the center looks like. So those are the Heavy Night. And then I'm going to do liners. So these are the wrapped Light Flow. Number 24. And I think all of these expire in 2020. These were made in March of 2015. So they just come in this thing again. These are really thin. Again, they open super, super quiet. These are so little and cute. Like, these are so small. Again, not the softest, but still, like, not super rough. So these are just 24 liners. And then onto these ones. These are unwrapped. And they're